I have a message on my Keurig coffee machine that I need to replace the water filter. Message looks like this, and all I need to do is to press continue and work on it. So I already purchased replacement filters. I went through Amazon and purchased it from Daily Brew charcoal filter for Keurig, 6-pack, and that was the best choice for me, but there is obviously many different choices online for everybody else. I took one of the filters out already, per instructions. I needed to soak it in the water for about 15 minutes. When I did it, some charcoal color or little black things came out, but now I cannot see them, so that's probably recommended for the clean filter. And now what I need to do is rinse it for 15 seconds and replace it from the water tank. For about 15 seconds, or about, to clean it well and be ready to replace. Next step is to take whole water tank apart from the machine, and here you can see the water filter holder. I just need to gently pull it up, and here is the old filter. In order to take it out, there are 2 tabs that I need to press in, push it out, and whole filter comes out. New filter is ready. All we need to do is stick it in all the way to the border and replace the tab back in, secure, and put it back into place. There is a place that like that you can feel when you put it back in. It doesn't snap very strong, but it stays there in the place. And all we need to do is put the back whole tank, replace the cover, and that will be it. I refill the water into tank to the tap, and the last thing that I need to do is press yes to water filter replaced, and coffee machine is ready to be used. My personal preference is to run a couple of times without K-cups through the system to make sure that everything is clean. You can see that there is no K-cup, and I'll just run it through 8 ounces for my coffee cup. And like I said, a couple of times will be enough just to clean whole system. This is a second cup, ran through, and I am ready to make new cup of coffee. The frequency of change of the filter depends on usage. I depend on the message on the Keurig display, and I will do it again. Pretty simple to do this. I think, in my opinion, very important to have better enjoyment of the coffee. If you will have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you for watching.